Jacob had a paper map in his hands. Yes, a real paper map, not a phone. He was trying to find his hotel, but honestly, he was completely lost. That means he had no idea where he was. He looked around, to the left, to the right, even behind him, but nothing looked familiar. When something is familiar, it means you recognize it. But Jacob didn't recognize anything. He sighed and whispered to himself, "How did I end up here?" And just so you know, end up means to arrive somewhere, usually without planning it. It's like, I didn't mean to come here, but here I am. If you're enjoying Jacob's adventure so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what happens next. It was his first day in Lisbon, that's the capital of Portugal, and Jacob had decided to go for a little walk before dinner. It was a nice evening and he felt confident, but somehow he had taken a wrong turn. That means he walked in the wrong direction, probably at a street corner without noticing. Now he was standing between two small buildings, between, as in one building on the left and one on the right, and next to a bakery. Next to just means very close, right beside something. His hotel was supposed to be on the main street, the big central road, but this didn't look like a main street at all. No cars, no signs, no people. He tried to look for a street name. Look for means. He was searching, but nothing, no luck. Then he saw a woman walking her dog. Finally, someone. He walked over and said politely, "Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?" The woman smiled warmly. "Sure. Where do you need to go?" Jacob replied, "I'm looking for Hotel Solar. It's on Rua Nova." "That's a street name, by the way." She pointed up the hill. "It's not far. Walk up the street. That means go in the direction where the ground goes higher. Then turn left at the pharmacy." Turn left at the pharmacy means when you reach the pharmacy, make a left turn. Jacob smiled, nodded, and said, "Thanks a lot." He followed her directions. He felt hopeful. But 20 minutes later, he was still lost. Still means the situation hasn't changed. He was just as confused as before. He realized he must have misunderstood her. Misunderstood means he didn't understand her correctly. He stopped and asked around. That means he asked other people nearby. But many didn't speak English. Some just smiled. Others shrugged. Poor Jacob. Hey, if you like this story and want to keep learning English with Jacob, make sure to subscribe. New adventures are coming soon. Anyway, back to the story. Finally, Jacob walked into a small cafe. He showed the hotel name to the waiter. "Ah," the man said with a grin, "it's just around the corner." Which means it's very close. Just one turn away. The waiter took a napkin. That's a small paper you usually use to wipe your mouth when you eat. And drew a little map. Jacob thanked him, followed the new directions. And 5 minutes later, he was standing in front of his hotel. In front of means he was directly outside it. He laughed and said to himself, "Note to self, always use Google Maps or just stay on the main street."